Bureau of Jail Management and Phenology spokesman Aris Villiester said Janet Lim Napoles has recovered from fever. However, she still has fluctuating blood pressure and is being monitored by BJMP nurses.
Fluctuate yung kanyang blood pressure. Under observation pa rin naman siya sa
May instance ba na kailangan siyang tingnan ng doktor o yung psychiatrist na?
Well, meron kaming naka-standby na nurse doon, no? At yung ating BJMP doctor ay on standby mo doon.
On the other hand, Napoles' lawyer, Stephen Babid, said his client busies herself by praying 2,000 Hail Marys every day.
2,000 Hail Marys daw yan every day, tapos misa, araw-araw. Marami siyang binabasa libre.
He said she believed that if God is with her, she will not falter.
Ay, si Mrs. Napoles kahit saan naman masayahin tayo. Ganun yan, masaya naman, masayang tayo. Although syempre mahirap ang sitwasyon niya. Pero kung pagkasama mo naman ang Panginoon, wala namang mahirap.
This is Tej Torres for Inquirer.net.